Hi everybody, this is Grandad Jack. And next to me here I've got Jack and his fantastic railroad. Well, that's two Jacks, two Grandad Jack. So Jack's layout here is a HO scale model railroad, and it's about 4 metres by 5 metres roughly, and it has some really interesting features to this beautiful layout. Here are some shots of Jack's HO layout at the Sandown Model Railway and Hobby Show in Melbourne. So I'll show you some shots of some of the detail of this beautiful model railway.
At 24 I got up, no problem. At 24 I got up. Yeah.
This scene shows some rock climbers climbing up the sheer rock wall. The rock walls are all made of plaster castings. So I hope you enjoyed looking at Jack's amazing HO model railroad, and I look forward to showing you some more of his work and his model railways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.